Hey guys, it's Johnny Ice Team and here today I'm going to show you how to install drivers manually on a laptop. First, open up Internet Explorer. Go onto Google. Then type in your manufacturer's name into the search engine and model number. So mine's Lenovo. B50-70. Then you want the one that says driver. Go to drivers and software, wherever yours says. Scroll down until you see display adapter. Mine's an Intel, not AMD. You want to click the download button on the website. Click the download button here. Click save. It should start downloading. Click run. Click yes on this. Minimize your web browser. Click next. Check I accept. Next. Install. It should start extracting the files. Wait for that. I'll be back when it's extracted files. Hi guys, I'm back and it's extracted files. And check install Intel VGA driver now, or whatever drive you're installing. Click finish. Go down to File Explorer, down on the bottom of the taskbar. Click on this PC. So right click on this PC. Click Manage. Click Device Manager. Click Display Adapter or whatever drive you're doing. Right click on the mouse. Click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer. Let me pick from a list of devices or drives on my computer. Click I have disk. Click Browse. Click this PC. Scroll down. Go to your directory where you saved your drivers. Mine's here. And click VGA driver. Or whatever drive you're doing. Click graphics. Then the driver name, which is the NEIF file. So IEF file, click that. Click OK. Click next. You should start installing. I'll be back when it's installed because you don't want to watch it installed. Hey guys, I'm back and it is installed. Now it wants me to restart it, so I'm going to close that window. I'm going to close down computer management. I'm going to close that window down. Click restart now to restart my laptop, or I should say my granddad's laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more journalists to million. And bye for now.